Good morning from a very rushed, busy morning here in Pakistan. Just picked up some food from Karachi Foods, but we are late for our epic railroad adventure. We need to get to the train station in quick time because, well, if we don't, we're going to miss our train to Hyderabad on our lowest class sleeper train adventure. Let's see, there's a tuk-tuk here. Let's see if we can just quickly jump in a tuk-tuk. भाई साहब, ओके से हो कराची कैंटोनमेंट कराची कैंट स्टेशन कितना भाई 200
What is this?
you can
I can speak English, my brother.
oh great, can you take us to the Karachi train station? We are late for our train. We're running late.
300.
Okay, let's go chalo bhai chalo. Oh, I'm stuck.
What is this?